Hello, I'm Audrey Lang, Product Manager for Walker Emission Control Products.
And I'm Steve Clayton, Walker Product Engineer.
Walker offers a full line of products that are manufactured with stainless steel and aluminized steel. From our 100% stainless steel quiet flow mufflers to our pipes and accessories, Walker products are engineered and manufactured with all of the elements in mind.
An economical option for many of our customers is a standard aluminized low-carbon steel muffler. However, Walker Quiet Flow SS mufflers are manufactured with 409 stainless steel, offering superior corrosion resistance and strength against the elements versus a standard low-carbon steel muffler. In general, you'll see longer service life with the stainless muffler versus a low-carbon steel version while experiencing premium acoustic performance.
No matter what you need, whether it be a premium 100% stainless steel muffler or hardware and accessories to keep your connection sealed, Walker has you covered.